My beautiful friends, how you all doing? Let's go again. Click on this to claim and click on this right here to do the claiming. And now let's go to the next, which is this one right here. Click on this. We're going to be arranging the correct ones into any of these 4 boxes. Follow me closely. The first one is this, it goes in there, so we drag it into that place. The next is this, drag it into the second box, we drag it into the second. The third is this, we drag it into the third box, so we drag it into the third. And finally, the last is this, we drag it into that box. We drag it into the box and we click on the check. Of course, we are correct as usual. Click on the claim button. And of course, you can go to this place to click on the spins if you've got spins available. I do not have any available now, so you can go back, go to the dashboard, click on that, go to the pets, click on that, scroll to the bottom and click on the feed. Don't forget, I've got a Telegram group. The link is gonna be in the description if you're interested in joining. Let's go.